Hello everyone, my name is Parthi Chaudhary and we are going to discuss question number 4 of this graded assignment. Before starting this, I want to convey a message. Somebody said me that it's illegal to solve this question. Definitely, I'm doing injustice for those students who are doing their answers by their own. But yeah, telling that this is illegal, I don't accept this because I'm not copying the answers from anyone else. I'm using my own concept to solve these equations. I only one thing is that the questions are from IIT Madras, that is for sure. Uh, but I request to those students who are trying very hard, please don't visit on this channel because definitely this will be disappointing for you people. You try your own. If you have seen one video I have uploaded that I have requested all the students to uh, give a shot or give a try by themselves, and then if they are not able to do, then only to visit on this channel and see to the answers or the approaches, and they can try them there themselves also. And before starting again, I want to say that if you google these questions, there are so many sites which have these questions, but they are on lock mode until and unless you download their apps. You are not able to assess the answers. So if I am doing illegal, so what they are doing the same. And even though if I get a copyright claim, it will not bother me at all because the number of subscribers I only have is 150. So that's it. That's it. So I seriously don't feel anything if I get a copyright strike or anything else from anywhere. That does not bother me at all. But I'm extremely sorry for those students who really they are trying very hard to get the answers. Do it nicely. Definitely, I'm not going to help those students who are unable to do it in the final exam. I'm not going to write for them. They will be doing themselves. They will try their own. Let's see question number 4. Distance between the lines 15x plus 9y plus 14 is equal to 0 and 10x plus 6y minus 14 is equal to 0 is. So we have to find out the distance between these two lines. One thing you are going to see that in this both of the given equation, if you tally or if you compare, you will find that these equations are parallel to each other. The both of the lines are parallel to each other. Now you already remembered the criteria for being parallel, that a1 b2 is equal to a2 b1. If you calculate, this is your a1, this is your b1, and this is your a2, and this is your b2. So let's do it. A1 into B2 will give you 90 and A2 will give A2 multiplied by B1 will give you 90. So by this you can see that both of these lines are parallel lines. So in the last question also I discussed that when you are going to find out the distance between two parallel lines, it is nothing that you have to create a perpendicular line between them, and then you have to find out the this this line distance, and this will give you the distance between these both two equation. Okay, so whatever the distance you are going to find out, this will be always fixed because these are parallel lines. Okay, now I have already termed this is your equation 1 or the line 1, and this is the equation for line 2. Now for finding out the perpendicular distance, we have the formula, but for that we need a point either or here or either here. So let's find out one point on one given line only. So for example, let us consider that I'm going to find out a point on this line. So what will be those points? It may be two numbers which will be satisfying this equation. There were two values, x and y value, which will be satisfying this equation. Now for that I'll be choosing that my x is already 1, and now according that I have already got x. I have taken by my own, that is x is equal to 1. Now I have to find out when I substitute this value in y here in equation 1. So what is the value of y? So let's put down, that is 10 into 1 plus 6 into y minus 14 is equal to 0. This will be 10 plus 6y is equal to 14. 6y is equal to 4. Then y is equal to 4 by 6, which gives your 2 by 3. So the value when x was 1, the y is what? It is 2 by 3. So I have got these points which will satisfy or which lies on this line. So this is the value, that is 1 comma 2 by 3. Now I have got a point. Now you know the formula. We will put down the formula and then we will calculate the distance. Now for finding out this perpendicular distance from this line to this point, we have a formula. That the formula says that D is equal to A x1 plus B y1 plus C by root over of A square plus B square. So this point is given, this line is given, you have to find out this perpendicular distance D. So we'll put down the value of this point in this equation. We'll find out what is the value of D coming. So let's do it. D will be equal to, here this equation is nothing but this equation, this will be, and the x1 y1 is nothing but this point. So it will be 15 into 1 plus 9 into 2 by 3 plus 14 by under root of 15 whole square plus 9 square. Now when you cut down this value, this will give you 3. Simplify it. This will be 15 plus 6 plus 14 mod by 15 whole square is 225 and 9 whole square is 81. So this is the value. Now when you add this, your 6 plus 14 is 20, 20 plus 15 is nothing but 35, and your this will be giving you 80. Add this 81, this will give you 6, 10, 1 carried over 3. So 35 by under root 306. So when you simplify it, this value comes 34 into 9, calculated, 9 4s are 36, carried over 3, 27 plus 3 is 30. So this will give you what? 35 by 3 under root of 34. So this is the distance between these two parallel lines. Let's check whether this option is there or not. Okay, so let's see. Yes, this option is there, which is this one. So this answer is absolutely correct. Thank you so much, and we'll be meeting in the next question.